What up? All right. So Spy took this area yesterday. Was up all day. Today we lost it right away and came down. So what I was watching for Spy is if we're under this, I'm looking at this. See this like these candles? They're under, and we never got above that little cluster. Like we went right here under and we never had any upside here. So it's rejecting this. It's not even the high of day. It's just like a midpoint from yesterday. Right there, right there. We never got above that 44640. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a blue line on my charts right here. Because that's an important level that I want to, the next time SPY comes around and pushes up, I want to see how it reacts there. This is a nice level here. I'm going to leave this orange line. I had this previously. Where do I have this line from? I'd have to zoom. 44520. 44520. I have no idea what it's from. Right here. On July 12th. On July 12th, we went up twice. Touched it twice. So I made a line there. Okay. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice line. But I made the red right here. Okay. But anyway. So that's where I got that line from. They're not just, I hate when people are like, I have a line there. It's like, why do you have a line there? So, let's see if I could zoom back. I hate zooming because I have to zoom back. Oh God. It's probably an easier way to do this. Okay, what happens if I click that? Oh, sweet. Okay, so, now I can't drag it, huh? Okay, so like I said, we opened up below this area. We rejected that area. And then we bear flagged under this blue line here. Okay, the exact opposite of yesterday. This is like a mirror image of yesterday. So what I was looking for calls was this to break yesterday. And then the opposite happened here. All right. So we bull flagged up over this, went here, look, touched the blue. Now it's blue because of this. Here, we bear flagged under this line that was already here, and then we couldn't get over this other line that I just zoomed out from July 12th. That's why I had that a month ago. And then this red line, you guys just saw where I got that from. We bounced over it a couple times under it. I was looking for some continuation above VWAP, which we never got. Right here, I was like, hey, I'm watching VWAP. We lost it. We retested here, perfect put entry to the red line. I didn't play that. I don't like to scalp this stuff. I just like to get in the big move down, the big move here. That's all I need. This was 95%, and this was 136% right there. Right there, 136% in about 6 minutes. So yeah, look, 1, 2, 3 times that we went under VWAP, and look, we're bouncing here. We got above VWAP, but see how we lost VWAP right away? We never had some continuation over VWAP. What you'd want is like this. Like, are we gonna kind of move, bounce off of VWAP and have some continuation? That never came. What instead happened is here, retested VWAP and my trend line, double bottomed here. I was like, oh, we're trying to double bottom and make a higher low, right? Off of the red line. We lost this red line here, came right back to it. Took a while to lose it. Never crossed VWAP, higher low. I was like, oh, maybe we're going to drop here. No, we didn't. We went all the way to VWAP. And then this bear flag. As soon as this started to flush, I was in. I think I was actually in here. I'd have to check my orders. Let's see the time I was in. 12:30 was when I sold. 12:24. So I was in at 12:24. Right there. Boom. Got out 12:30. Right there. I had a line there and I was out. So that was that trade. 136%. That was amazing. And that was it. Just 2 trades there. I was looking at Tesla today as well. Obviously, see this cloud is red all day. I really like this indicator. I can glance at my chart and know we're still red. It's right here. It's called 200 EMA filtered parabolic SAR. I was just looking for a 200 EMA, found it, has a lot of options on there. There's a lot of different things you can select. See, I have it right here. So yeah, when it's below the 200, it's a red cloud. When it's above, it's green. So sometimes it goes back and forth. You could see, oh, it's over right now. You know, it's kind of building momentum or it's losing it. For Tesla, we saw this break over with a little double bottom right there. Okay, and then we lost it. Okay, and when I say lose it, I mean this. You're kind of looking at that, right? And you're like, oh, I'm in puts if you want to play that. It broke under that level here, made a new low, then retest it. This would be your entry. Made a lower high, and as you see, it's under this cloud. Sometimes the price goes in the cloud here, it's extended on the cloud, and it just rode it. So, and then look, as I was mentioning with SPY, we never got over VWAP. It's 5, 10, 15 minutes into the day, we never crossed VWAP ever again. There's no reason to think calls, ever. Here, you're like, oh, that's a strong candle. Look at this one candle took out an hour, 7:10 to 8:10. This took out 1 hour of price action, but instantly gave it up and it never recovered. So, kind of have this going on here. Oops, whatever. So, yeah, those are the two I'm looking at. If you're in a swing for Tesla puts, good for you. If you're in a swing for SPY, good for you. Great day.